so happy that Water Stories is a door for people to have a sense of like, hey, we can do this together. We can make a change. This is possible. It's not impossible. It's really possible.
It's really beautiful just to watch how inspired Wren is too, because I think as like a younger person, it's easy to like lose hope in the future, and especially having a kid, it's sort of terrifying. So I think it's really bonding too, to be able to be a part of something bigger where we know that even despite whatever we might be going through personally, we always have this goal that we're working toward, and we want to bring the rest of our family into it too.
I grew up around an orchard. A lot of my life was being surrounded around agriculture. I was always impacted by how much pesticides were being used and how monocrops were just not the way to go. At a very young age, I realized due to my trampoline and my big toys being sprayed every week by pesticides, I would just be, oh gosh, like why? Why did they have to do this? As I grew up, I just had this seed in my soul, like, oh, this has to change. Here I am now where I am 27 years old and I still feel like there could be a change with the agriculture. And my partner was like, dude, you gotta check Zach out. He is doing some amazing, amazing things around the world. And I was like, huh, who is this Zach Wise guy? Looked him up on the web, found him, and I found his website. I was really amazed of all the amazing work he has put for the world, for the community, for the people, for the water, for earth, for the beings. And I was hooked. I waited a year and I realized that the course was pretty expensive for me, but I did not give up, and I reached out to the local community and was able to get scholarships, and it was the best decision I've ever made in my life. We have an 18-month-old, and sometimes, I really love my little one, so I put my family as a priority. So one of the challenges was, how do I make time for the course? But luckily, Water Stories has an amazing setup where you can just go on the web, on their website, and go on the course whenever it is convenient for you. So that was like a big help. Being surrounded by the community members has made me feel so inspired due to the support that the community members have for each other. Like, we're all trying to help each other out. We're all trying to grow and learn, and having that feeling and knowing that there's a support team there just a click away is really beautiful and very unique. And I'm so grateful for Water Stories community.
Really grateful that Wren is on this journey, because I think it's just exactly what we need. I mean, where we live is very like a brittle, desertifying landscape, and so Wren's been making a lot of connections, and also just like made some rain gardens at our house. And I think, a lot of the little projects that Wren has done so far have already made an impact. And so that makes an impact on our family. We had, off of Wren's beautiful hugel cultures, we had some giant juicy watermelons, which was amazing for us to just be able to go out there every day and go eat them.
Water Stories is a reminder of, dude, there's things that you can do that are real and tangible and possible to have this healthy water cycle. Just go after this dream. Will be the best thing you've ever done, and you won't regret it. We are Water Stories.